lights, it's on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mal, and today's video I am going to be doing something fun. I am going to be trying on new hair, new hair from Niawigs. So I'm very excited to try this on. Niawigs sells a whole bunch of different styles of wigs and hair pieces, so I definitely recommend checking them out. I have gotten a few items from them and I find everything to be a great quality. I hope that you guys enjoy this review and check out Niawigs. I also have a discount code so that you can receive money off of your purchase. I will leave it on the screen throughout the video so that you can use it if you wish to purchase any products from Niawigs. Let's get into the video, and I'm gonna show you guys first what the packaging of this looks like and how my wig came. I would also like to mention that it took about a week to come to Canada, so the shipping was pretty quick. But yeah, let's check out what's in this box and then try it on for you guys. I have my beautiful blonde wig here. This is the headband wig that I was talking about. And I'm just gonna do what I usually do when I apply wigs, which is kind of just part my hair down the middle.
Let's go have some fun.
Let's put it on. Ooh, so cute. So I didn't do up the band yet, which I will just now. I'm just giving a little room for my baby hairs to peek through, and I will take this down now. So cute. Wow, that was like instantly a new hairstyle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it with my straightener. This is 100% human hair and I got a 16-inch wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten it a little. Absolutely love it, you guys. I haven't done a really cool blonde like this in like years, to be honest. I can't stop running my fingers through it because the hair is really soft. It feels very comfortable. This portion with the black band can be covered with these. So I'm gonna try these on. This has some other patterns for headbands so you can switch up the look. So I'll model these for you guys and show you what I think. And there are different colors and like pattern selections on their website, so you get some options. Hey guys, so I actually wanted to include a little clip of me curling this unit because I added some kind of like loose speechy waves and I really loved how it looked afterwards. So I threw this clip in there as well. This is me on a totally different day, just styling my hair, and you can see how much body the hair has and how soft and bouncy it really is with these curls in it. So let me know what style you prefer. Do you think it looks better straight or curly? Anyway guys, I will let you continue watching and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so final reviews on this hair. I love the color, I love the style with the chunky highlights and the blonde, and I also love that it came with 4 free headbands. Thanks again, you guys, for watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this hair from Niawigs. I'm loving wigs. It's really been helpful for a protective style for me to help my hair grow and stay healthy, and I love changing up my look, so it allows me to do that without damaging my real hair. I'm gonna leave all the details on this particular hair in the description bar, and of course my discount code. Take care, you guys.